Hi, I'm Patty, and I want to talk about why the Mediterranean diet became pretty popular from my professional opinion. The Mediterranean diet includes lots of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which when replaced with those, and not saturated fatty acids, you're going to see a lot of beneficial effects in terms of chronic disease reduction risks. So when you include more olive oil than butter, when you include more salmon than steak, you're going to see a lot of more omega-3s and omega-6s, which can work on inflammatory markers. And you're also going to potentially see more plant polyphenols, which are compounds in plants that help with lots of different beneficial effects. You're also going to see more antioxidants. You also potentially have more fiber. Like if you're going to switch an avocado out for butter, there's natural more fats in the avocado. If you're going to have nuts instead of maybe chips, you're going to see more fiber in the nuts and also fat from the nuts than you are in the fat in the fried or the baked potatoes. So you're going to see a lot more natural positive associations with foods that have more mono and polys because they're more plant-based. And that's what I think the Mediterranean diet is going to include more plants, and you're going to see more positive effects when switching from a Western diet to Mediterranean diet. Not that it's the holy grail or it has a magic pill, but overall, you're going to see more benefits because you're involving more plants. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, write them down below. Bye.